All Parties Hurriyat Conference has said that Narendra Modi-led Indian government is peddling blatant lies of peace and normalcy to mislead the world about the ground situation in occupied Kashmir, according to Kashmir Media Service. APHC leaders in their statements issued in Srinagar said off and on claims of Indian political and military leaders about improving security scenario in the occupied territory are nothing but false claims. Students' wing of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has said that the sanctions against the political leaders and organizations by the Indian government cannot defeat them from pursuing their goal of freedom. According to Kashmir Media Service, the DFP Students' Wing Chief Shafi Ahmed Andrabi, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said India must remember the fact that it cannot suppress the Kashmiris' just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. Jammu and Kashmir Youth Social Forum has expressed serious concern over the plight of the Kashmiri political prisoners languishing in different jails of the occupied Kashmir and India. According to Kashmir Media Service, the JKYSF chairman Maulvi Musab Nadwi, in a statement in Srinagar, said that thousands of Kashmiris, including APHC leaders, were languishing in jails on fake charges. 2 persons were killed while another was injured in a road accident in the occupied Kashmir. Meanwhile, a 19-year-old youth laborer by profession ended his life by hanging himself in Patan area of the Baramulla district. 5 Muslims who were tied to a pole and publicly flogged in the Indian state of Gujarat have refused to accept monetary compensation from the policemen involved in the brutal act. According to Kashmir Media Service, the Gujarat High Court was informed that the victim Muslims flogged in the Kheda district of the state have refused to accept the monetary compensation. Due to pressure from the Hindutva organizations, a Pune-based institute cancelled an award given to a Kashmiri journalist, Safina Nabi, on the eve of the ceremony held today. According to Kashmir Media Service, Safina Nabi was selected for a media award instituted by the journalism school run by the Maharashtra Institute of Technology, World Peace University. However, she got a rude shock as her award was cancelled ahead of the ceremony.